Uh-oh.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Put me in the ring like a king. I'll go off, beat you to the punch, leave you stunned, and I won't stop till I'm the last one standing. And they call me champion. You know it's a matter of time, a matter of time.
Traders, this is Rich with BreathingWithTheMarkets.com, June 19th, 2025. Are you going to continue to follow fake gurus? I have no sympathy for you. Traders are supposed to be smart. They are smart individuals. But those following fake gurus are simply stupid. Are you kidding me? We have gurus, from what I'm told and what I see, gurus out there that are admitting that they weren't even profitable for an entire year selling programs, actually selling signals. Are you crazy? Why in the hell would you buy stuff like that?
Put me in the ring like a king. I'll go off, beat you to the punch, leave you stunned, and I won't stop till I'm the last one standing. And they call me champion. You know it's a matter of time, a matter of time, before I come to get what's mine. I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter. Put me in the ring like a king. I'll go off, beat you to the punch.
Traders, how do you have people claiming on the internet to be a multi-million-dollar trader, been trading 9 years, profitable for 7 or 10 years, whatever they want to fucking say on a different day, and then come out and say they weren't profitable for an entire fucking year and blame it on brokers, making up all these excuses. Now these traders are claiming their lack of profitability is because of regulated brokers. Yes, that's right, traders. They're saying it's because of the regulated brokers, that they're not profitable. Are you fucking kidding me? These people have made hundreds and hundreds of videos, sold courses, admit that they're not profitable, and they keep selling courses and selling signals. And you keep buying this shit? What is wrong with you traders? Trading is a skill. It's not this multi-million-dollar shit of intuition. Are you crazy? Think about what's going on. Think about it. Now all of a sudden they say they're going to go to non-regulated brokers where they have 500 to 1 leverage. 500 to 1 leverage. I thought they were multimillionaires. If you're a multimillionaire, why do you need 500 to 1 leverage? Put $1 million in the account and show what you can do. You're claiming to be a multimillionaire trader, a support and resistance trader, a crossover moving average trader. All of these traders, it is a skill. It's not psychological. It's not intuition. It's not a hunch. They've said this for years. And these people are not profitable. And then they say they're going to take 20,000 to 100,000 or 25,000 to 100,000 or 50,000 to 100,000. They can't do it on a regulated broker. They have to go offshore on the back end where the numbers are skewed. The numbers are not accurate, traders. The numbers are not accurate. And they can mess with the numbers. The entries, when you buy and sell from a non-regulated broker, is not the price that you're getting. What the hell's wrong? And you're following them. They have 60, 70, 80,000, 100,000 followers, subscribers. Why do you think 95% of the people are not profitable? Because they're following gurus like this that have no skill. They admit they have no skill. And you keep coming back for more. Why would someone keep changing their strategy over and over and over again? If you have a skill and you're a baseball player, football player, and all this stuff, would you keep changing your strategies? Think about it. Yes, you work. Yes, you may work out different in the gym. Yes, you have different drills. But the game's the same, right? They might adjust the rules here and there for the game, right? They might put seconds on the board before you can go ahead and throw your next pitch, or you only have so many seconds before you throw your next pitch. That doesn't change the game skill. You either know how to throw the ball or you don't know how to throw the ball. You can either throw a strike or you can't throw a strike. It is a skill, traders. Why are you following people that are fake? Trading is a skill. It is a skill set. Trading is a professional sport, and you just don't understand. And collect money knowing that you don't even have a skill. And you blame regulated brokers. You blame professional regulated brokers that have to follow rules and guidelines. How can anyone blame regulated brokers? He's not blaming non-regulated brokers that don't guarantee anything, that when you buy and sell, you're not even getting the price that you see. It's all fucking manipulated. And he wants to claim that that's the reason why he's losing all his money. Well, wait a minute. If you had multi-million dollars, such as what you claim, how come you don't have that multi-million dollars in a regulated broker and being able to scale in and scale out of your trades, such as you claim? You don't know how to fucking scale in and scale out of trades because you don't know how to trade. And if you knew how to trade and you knew how to get in the market without a hunch and intuition, then guess what? Then you would be profitable. Then you'd be able to put up the numbers. These people target beginners, people that want to get their feet wet in the market. And all of a sudden, they're taught to gamble. Ask someone, do you have a skill? Don't talk about money all the time. Do you have a skill? What is your skill? Can you show me how to do a skill? Can you teach me your skill? Is it repeatable? Can you practice? These are questions you must ask, traders. Why are you getting suckered into these guys that claim to have millions of dollars and show you fancy cars and watches? When's the last time an athlete went up to the ballpark and said, I don't want to practice today, go look at my shit in the parking lot. Look at that Lamborghini I have in the parking lot. No, by the way, look at my expensive watch. I don't need to perform. Just look at the shit I have. What the fuck? Just look at my shit? Don't believe anything you hear. Have them prove it on a skill, traders. It's fooled numerous traders out there and has caused, in my honest opinion, havoc across the trading industry. He or she should not be doing that. You can either put up the numbers or you can't put up the numbers, and I'm not talking about the money. I'm talking about showing a skill. Thousands and tens of thousands and 20s of thousands of trades. Taking 100 trades over a period of time ain't shit. That doesn't mean you have a skill. That means you might have money. Now this person goes to 500 to 1 leverage, claiming to be a multi-millionaire trader? Think about it logically. Think about it logically, traders. Use some logic. This same trader used to knock down other profitable traders, those that had a skill, those that were showing positive results. He would always question them. He would always say that they were fake. He would always say they were taking a position long and taking a position short. What bullshit is that? Traders, just because you may take a position long or short, which is illegal first of all, and just because you do doesn't mean you're going to come out on one loser and one winner. Price may range. You say you use a stop loss and a target. Hold them trades. Don't say you have risk management. Hold those trades. Trade on a regulated broker. Trade on someone in the United States. Trade on a prop firm. If you can make money on a prop firm, you probably have a skill. Excluding some gamblers out there, but you understand you got to think logically. Can you get a payout? Can you get consistent payouts through the prop firm, through the tight rules? Show everyone your skill. Can you teach a skill? You can teach a skill only if you have a skill. Require all these gurus to show their skill, not intuition, not a hunch, not 500 to 1 leverage. You know what a selling pitch is? When someone says that they're going to start increasing the prices. Now that they just admitted that they weren't profitable for the entire year, they're going to increase the prices for their signals. Why would you raise a signal program when you just admitted you weren't profitable for an entire year and you admitted on TV, and now all of a sudden you're going to raise the signals group?
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
It doesn't match, traders. If you had a multi-million dollar industry, why would you need 500 to 1 leverage? Ask yourself, why? Why go offshore? The numbers are skewed. The numbers are not accurate. When he says he's getting into trade, when he or she says he's getting into trade, and they show where they entered, that's not going to be accurate, traders. It is not accurate. It doesn't match. I know it doesn't match. I've taken tens of thousands and 20s of thousands of trades. I've tested those platforms. Brokers, all of that. It is not as easy as you think. You must have a skill. Traders, ask yourself a simple question. Why would someone claiming to make multi-million dollars in trading, been trading for almost a decade, and need 500 to 1 leverage, and claim the year before not being profitable for the entire year, and blame regulated brokers for his lack of skill in the market? What in the hell are you thinking? Those fake gurus out there owe an apology to all of those traders that were following them, so that those traders can move on to better places and follow those with a skill, not those with a scam. Are you actually learning a skill? Can they actually navigate through the market? Is it a hunch? Is price overextended? That's not how to trade. All of this basic stuff, a stop loss, a 1-to-1, a 1-to-2, a 1-to-3 is very, very basic information, traders. Very basic information. That is not going to get you profitable. Did you know if you had $10,000, it would take you 80 years, 20,000 trading days. It would take you 20,000 trading days to take $10,000 at $50 profit a year. $50 profit a day. It would take you 80 years to turn in $10,000 to $1 million. And not compounding. Let's just keep it simple, traders. If you have 80 years, that's winning every day. Think about it. $10,000, $50 a day, winning every day, 20,000 days, 80 years. It would take you 80 years to make $1 million winning every day. Winning every day. That is called a skill. And that is impossible. But you need a skill. You cannot have a hunch, intuition in the market. I have an extremely high hit rate. Very, very high hit rate in the market. Because if you lose, and I agree with it, if you lose $1, it's a loss on that trade. It's a loss. It's not a break even. It's a loss. But it's skewed because I win typically my trades. I come out profitable in those trades. But because of my positions in the market, it's going to be skewed because they're not all connected. They're individual positions in the market. And I hope you understand that. It's simple logic, right? But don't follow gurus that fucking come up with excuses as to why they're not winning or why they're losing. They're blaming other people. You have no one else to blame but yourself. Stop blaming everyone. You're going to run out of people to blame until there's no one else to blame but yourself. Just Google those who keep blaming others. I wish you well. Don't follow fake gurus. That would be my suggestion. I hope you have a great day. Peace, traders.